Hey, something we can all hopefully agree on. Cookies are delicious and usually not made to be diet friendly, let alone low carb friendly. But today that changes, and hopefully you can get on board with these super easy to make keto cookies. So let's just jump right into them. Start this one by melting a stick of salted butter. 45 seconds in the microwave should do the trick, and make sure your butter is salted or they won't taste nearly as good. After that, add in half a cup of erythritol and mix those together. You could use another sweetener here, but erythritol is my go-to for anything keto. Follow with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 large whole egg. Mix those in. Now add in 1 cup of almond flour, 1 scoop optional protein powder. I only add protein in to give them a bit more fluffiness and help with the macros a bit. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Mix everything together again until it looks like this, and then lightly mix in some sugar-free chocolate chips. Here's the tip for this part. Look for chocolate chips made with erythritol, since erythritol is keto friendly. And if you can't find those, you should be able to find sugar-free chocolate made with erythritol that you can just break up yourself. Alternatively, you could just use nuts or something else too. The base recipe without chocolate chips is still really good. Last, take out a baking pan, line it with some parchment paper, and shape your cookies however big you want them. I find pressing them down onto your pan will give you the best result. Throw those in the oven on 350 for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. They'll look like this. Alright, so there are your keto cookies, and they are absolutely delicious. Once they cool, you get a nice crunch to them, and I promise you that they do actually taste like a cookie. Speaking of crunch, are you more of a soft and chewy cookie person, or do you like them harder and crunchier? Let me know in the comments below. Another thing you can let me know is what you guys think is in, I think it's this jar. There's a video on the screen right now, because no one has got it yet. I think it's also probably fair to say I should give you guys a hint. That hint is that it starts with a W. First one to get it gets a shaker to your door. 1 guess per person. Thank you for watching. Smack that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe and turn on notifications. And of course, stay healthy.